You're tight on cash and want to upgrade the stereo in your 98 Ford Taurus. No big deal. I got your back with the JVC KD-T905BTS. This thing has everything you really need. Bluetooth, CD playback for your old Insane Clown Posse collection, USB, plus tons of other features. Included in the box is a wiring harness and external Bluetooth microphone. The rear connections include wiring harness, Sirius XM, Bluetooth microphone, RCA preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, radio antenna, and a USB pigtail. The average single-DIN stereo will have 2 or 4 volt preamp outputs, but this JVC has 3 sets of 5 volt preamp outputs, which is the ideal beginning for your multiple subwoofer and amplifier system, and keeping noise in the signal line to a minimum. Bluetooth provides excellent music tags for tracks and artist names. There are 2 USB ports, one in the front and a pigtail in the back, which also provide music streaming from a phone or USB thumb drive, and phone charging. Music app sources on the stereo include Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Spotify, but any audio app will work via the Bluetooth or USB source. Bluetooth also provides hands-free calling with full access to your phone to receive, send, or end calls, plus dual phone connection. The front USB is accompanied by a 3.5mm auxiliary input for audio as well. The USBs offer iPod, iPhone direct connection, Android rapid charge, and Android music playback. Via a USB thumb drive, the radio is compatible with playback of MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and FLAC audio files. For display control, the stereo has 2-zone variable color illumination, plus a new music sync effect where the illumination changes based on the rhythm of the music. When the battery of the connected Bluetooth device runs low, a beep sound is heard and low battery appears on the receiver. For our bilingual customers, the on-screen display is now available in Spanish. The KD-T905BTS does not have HD radio, just normal FM/AM tuner with 24 presets, 18 FM and 6 AM. The stereo is Sirius XM ready with the SXV300V1 universal tuner and steering wheel control ready with the ASWC1 universal interface. Links in bio for those. Its audio settings put you in full control of your sound. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the video bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.